Hi guys, welcome back to Sparkle Craft Studio. Today we're going to be making clay slime. So what you need for this recipe, you need some clay and some hand lotion or body lotion, whatever you desire. We're just going to be starting. This is a very easy 2-ingredient slime, so you won't need that much stuff. It's kind of like a household item, but not exactly. So what you need, you want to take out some clay. I'm trying this first time, so I'm not really sure if this one works. Because I usually use Model Magic, Crayola Model Magic. But I just found this at Kmart, and I'm like, okay, let's try this. And there's one big thing, you can just rip as much as you want. And it rips very easily, so I'm going to be using glue. Now what you're going to do is just knead it with your hands. It'll be very rippy. So you just want to knead it with your hand until it becomes like a soft texture. And then after you've kneaded it, I'm going to get the lotion, add a few pumps, and then knead it. And it should become. So this slime is like kind of like butter slime. We're trying to make like a butter slime consistency. Now I don't need food coloring in this as well, so that's good. As you see, I didn't do a big type of clay like Model Magic. I didn't like. If you get Model Magic, then you would want a bigger batch. I'm not doing really big batch because I'm just trying this first time because I don't really know if it works. So this is either a success or a fail. It's kind of becoming softer. This is very rippy. You can see this as dark blue, but it actually is light blue. So just gonna keep adding pumps of lotion. Just keep adding lotion until it becomes like a butter type consistency. So as you see, it's become like a butter texture. Now I don't know, but I really like this. I think this is like one of my best slimes I've made. No. My other slime I'm gonna post in a few weeks. It's gonna be way better. I tried it. It was so good. I can't wait to make the video and post it. I actually love that slime. Hopefully you love that slime as well. So let's keep moving that. This is one of my second best. It's made now a butter slime texture. You see? And then, yeah, I like this slime. And then, yep. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.